Hello everyone. We have Dr. Nancy Goyal, rank 72, NEET MDS 2018-19. Nancy, many congrats.
Thank you, sir.
पहला रिएक्शन क्या था?
So I was really happy and I was jumping how I did it.
Okay. And you were expecting that rank?
No, sir.
No? Okay, but finally you did it. Because your rank was good in AIMS also. What was your rank in AIMS?
Sir, 400, around
Approximately
400. Yes,
So
sir.
there are 1,000 plus 1,000 students. They have better chances of getting selected. Nancy, you have attended our regular batch?
Yes, sir.
How was the feedback of regular batch?
So it was a lifetime experience.
Do you feel that we cover all the subjects
Yes, sir.
comprehensively?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It gives me a head start, like how to go about it, because the syllabus is so wide that we tend to lost in the sea. So I was not able to manage so many subjects at one period of time. So it will give you a guidance, like how to go about it.
नैन्सी, ऐसा होता है कि अभी जो नीट का पैटर्न है वो क्या है कि इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स.
Yes, sir.
Every subject has some stipulated MCQs which are being asked. And do you feel that it is difficult for a student to comprehensively cover every topic and give the exam in a 1 year time or 8 months time?
Yes, with Dan's notes, it's really helped me a lot. It is a concise manner. We can, sir used to tell कि कौन से subjects में से कौन से frequently asked topics है. So I used to revise them a lot.
And do you feel that tendency to completely depend on books is reduced or almost nil once you
Yes,
attend the
sir.
class?
Yes, sir. Nil.
Once you attend the class.
Yes,
And Nancy, any favorite subject teacher?
Sir, Ankit sir.
Ankit?
Sir, you.
Okay.
Gaurav sir,
हाँ.
OS, and
Medical
Pawan, sir.
subjects, how were there?
Sir, biochem, sir, and Mamta ma'am.
Mamta ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
And apart from the regular batch, have you given our class test, subject wise test, grand test?
Yes, sir.
How were
All.
those tests?
Sir, they were really helpful to me.
Okay. And what is your strategy in attempting the MCQs?
So initially I used to answer in a very quick manner. So I used to miss the words like all, except. So I started working on that. So I used to give a particular amount of time to each and every question. Then I used to answer like in a very relaxed manner. So I avoided silly mistakes.
Okay. And generally, how many questions do you attempt in your class test or subject wise test?
So like
Out of like 80%, 90% or almost all questions?
so not all question. I used to leave around 7 to 8 in every.
That means you were going for an aggressive attempt in the MCQs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Many students ask us that, sir, how many hours should we read? Do you really feel that the hours is important or the quality of hours
So
is
quality
important?
is important.
And what is your minimum duration of hours still?
8 to 10 hours.
8 to 10 hours she was studying per day, and she attended all the classes. She was the more you are more relying on the notes or the MCQs?
So notes.
So notes and everything is in the notes, and these are the detailed notes which we provide to our students, which cover almost everything in the NEET. When you have attempted the paper,
Yes,
do you feel that our classes have covered the paper?
Yes, sir. I was happy when I came out of by giving the after exam. I was happy.
कि ये तो पढ़ाया हुआ
कि
है,
आता था कि ठीक है.
हाँ, कि ये क्लासेस में कवर
Yes,
किया गया
sir.
है. It was attemptable and all that. Okay. What was your rank in CBT?
So 25.
25 rank in CBT, All India rank 72 in NEET MDS. Again, I keep on telling that it is a benchmark in deciding the preparation level. If you are performing better in your CBT, there are most likely chances that you are going through in your NEET MDS exam. Nancy, DVT session?
Yes, sir. I have not even missed a 5 minutes of DVD session.
She has not missed even 5 minutes. See, the value you give to your classes will ultimately is going to be reflected in your results. The more time you are providing to your classes, your notes, your teachers, what they are saying, what they are teaching, ultimately that will, at the end, it will reflect in your results. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, totally
I
agree.
used to sit with 100% concentration and used to make good notes.
Okay.
Yes,
Like
sir.
different colors and all that.
No, sir, not that. Good handwriting notes.
Okay, good handwriting note, not like rough and all that. So
Yes,
see,
sir.
when you're making the notes, also make sure you're writing it in the way that it is easier to go through it again. Not like yeah, what I have written. I have to check it what I have written. So the writing should be good and all that. And Facebook club.
Yes, sir. I used to take printouts of like Mamta ma'am used to post, and I used to take screenshots of OS, and you post a lot. I used to take screenshots.
First student who has said that she has even taken printouts of what we are teaching in the Facebook Club also, what we are updating, what we are correcting,
Yes,
multiple
I used to take
type of
printouts.
guidebooks and all that. This is the only exclusive feature which our students get, all the 19 faculties, even after the class gets over. And it's something we have missed or something the student have forget to ask, forget to notice and all that. They can again communicate with the faculties via the Facebook Club. All the 19 faculties are there. Students used to tag there, and we generally reply within 1 to 2
Yes,
days.
sir.
And there are some faculty who reply within 1 or 2 hours also.
Yes.
Right, right. What is your preparation strategy if any student right now is joining NAMS, either test series or test series or even the regular batch? What should be the strategy for the coming NEET exam?
So I would say revision is most important. Like after every 15 days, you should go back and revise what you have studied earlier. I used to follow that regularly. I used to make schedule, like fun month schedule, and I used to follow it strictly.
Are you guys listening? Schedule, revision, schedule, revision. The key thing which I used to say in my classes is that the revision is the ultimate deciding factor in your selection. Plus, if you want to check you're revising properly or not, you need to give the test.
Yes, sir.
So test, revision, test, revision, test, revision, that will be ultimately be the goal of any student, so that they will clear the exam. And we used to keep our level slightly higher. Our tests are a bit
sir.
more tougher as compared to the NEET exam, because we want our students to feel that they are going to give the mock and not the final exam, because we understand the anxiety level of the student also. CBT also reduces the anxiety.
Yes, sir.
And the more tests you give, ultimately will reduce your anxiety. More tests, either class test, subject fair test, grand test, any test you give, because the more tests you are giving, the anxiety is reducing.
Yes, sir.
Right? How many questions you have attempted, Nancy?
So 233.
She have attempted 233 question out of 240. Again, aggressive attempt with reading the question properly. What students used to feel is that I will go for 240 questions, but they refuse to read the questions properly.
Yes, sir. Silly mistakes.
Silly
बहुत हो
mistakes.
जाती हैं फिर से.
All except
Yes,
most
sir.
important.
Options अच्छे से नहीं पढ़े. Like
Because one
options
student have told that they used to read the question twice.
Yes, sir.
Right, and the reading of the options is also important, not just the reading of MCQ, because if you're not sure about the options, you need to read the options also twice, not just once. Right? Which seat you are going to take?
So still thinking.
Still thinking. Nancy, you did BDS from which college?
So I did from Ludhiana, SKSS Dental College.
SKSS Dental College, Ludhiana, Punjab. She has done BDS from that college, and now she has taken a great rank in NEET MDS 2018, 72 rank, a regular batch student. Nancy, many congrats to you.
Thank you,
I wish
sir.
you all luck, wish you all success.
Thank you, sir.
And be a guiding force to your juniors also. Any message to our juniors?
I would say you are doing it for yourself, so why not do it the best way?
Okay. Nancy, many congrats to you.
Thank
है
you,
ना?
sir.
We hope to see you again in some of our classes also. We wish our students join our classes also as a faculties and all. Thank you, Nancy. Thank you so much.